Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of Numpy and it is part 4. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss Numpy operations. So guys, in this lecture the Numpy operations will be max function and minimum function. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss one by one. So the first function is max function, and the max function in Numpy computes the maximum value from the array. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So guys, now we are in Jupyter notebook and I have imported Numpy as np and I have created two arrays a and b. A is a one-dimensional array and b is a two-dimensional array. And now guys, we are going to find out the maximum element from these arrays using max function. So let's go ahead and we'll use maximum function. So guys, now I am going to apply max function on the array a. So and if I run this script, it will give 3. So 3 is the maximum element from the array A. Now we are going to apply max function on the array B. So let me copy this. And now if I run this script, it will give 9, because 9 is the biggest element from the array B. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now let's go ahead and we'll discuss next topic, and that is minimum function or min function. So guys, now our next function is minimum function, and the minimum function in Numpy computes a minimum value from the array. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook again. So now guys, we are going to find out the minimum element from the array A and array B. So we are going to use minimum function. So let's go ahead. So guys, we are using minimum function here, and if I run this script, it will give 1, because 1 is the smallest element or minimum element in this array A. And now I am going to find out the minimum element from the array B. So let me copy this and I will paste it here and change it to B and run this script. Then the minimum element from the array B is also 1. So I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.